Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. And as I always say in these videos, drink your tea. It is now March. We are into March already. Hopefully the weather will be getting better here in Colorado, but we are into March and this is going to be my March Sips by Discovery tea unboxing. I know if you've watched me before, you're going to be sick of me saying this, but I always want to say it for people who might have just tuned in to see this video for the first time and explain to them what Sips by is. Sips by is kind of a discovery tea box. It is a monthly tea subscription box. Quickly on the stats, it's $15 per month and free shipping in the United States. How does Sips by work? Well, whether you're a tea lover or kind of just starting to get into teas as I was, I really wasn't a tea lover until I started getting this box. So Sips by is a tea subscription box. They work with over 150 global tea brands. So you're getting teas from all over the world. Very unique teas. You know, teas I've kind of really not been familiar with, which is really kind of nice because Sips by has introduced me to so many cool and neat brands. So you're getting a personalized box. You take a very in-depth quiz. The quiz will ask you things like what kind of teas you like to drink, bag or loose, caffeinated or not caffeinated, what flavors you like to drink, what flavors you'd like to possibly try, how much of each one you might want to get. You can have an entirely caffeinated box of tea, or you can have an entirely non-caffeinated box of tea. Sips by is a company out of Austin, Texas, and I believe the founder and CEO is a woman, which I thought was really kind of cool. They use an algorithm that analyzes the answers to the questions that you answered on their quiz. And that algorithm sort of then comes up with your baseline sort of TIQ, I guess that's the best way to put it. And that tells Sips by what type of teas should be put into your box. And then before they actually ship the box out to you, the people at Sips by recheck everything to make sure that the teas that they're sending you are teas they know you're going to love to try. And the other thing I really like is after you've gotten your box, they have a rating system on their website, so you can rate all the teas and give them feedback, which is really great. So I do that every month also. I really love this company. I'm not sponsored. I don't get paid by them in any way. All I get is their teas, and I've been getting this box, I don't know, for the past 4 or 5 months, and I've absolutely loved it. Once Sips by gets your box together, it's all curated and personalized just for you. They will then send you a tracking number, and you can kind of follow your box as it travels across country right to your doors. That is sort of how Sips by works. And if you also look on their website, you can see that they offer so many different things: mugs, tea accessories, individual teas. They also have specialty tea boxes, for example, for holidays. So Sips by really covers all their bases. I'm going to take you to my March Sips by tea box. We're going to unbox it together, and I'm going to pick one of the teas to steep on this video. Just a quick rundown of how I signed up for Sips by. This is the opening page. You can actually take the quiz even before you sign up for the subscription box. So I just entered my information, and then you see all the different ways you can get your teas. You can pay $15 every month, 3 months for $45 every 3 months, $84 every 6 months, and then $165 every 12 months. If you take the quiz, you can see some of the questions that they ask, your preferences on. You can create a profile, whether you like caffeine-free or caffeinated tea. Do you like your teas loose or bagged? You could even have a mixture of loose and bagged tea and a mixture of caffeine and caffeine-free teas. Do you like your tea flavored or unflavored? And there's a slew of questions on what types of teas you like to drink, what type of flavor profiles you like. They ask you what types of tea you might be interested in trying.
The teas arrive to you in this nice little compact cardboard box that says Sips By on it. I believe they give you a tracking number so you can track your shipment to see when it's due to arrive. And then you open your box and they show you the month's card inside. This is my March box. And then if you flip that card over on the back, it will show you exactly all the teas that you received in the box. A quick rundown of what I received, because what I received is different than what other people receive, because this is personalized just for me. I received some chocolate raspberry tea. This is my caffeine-free tea. They also gave me 20% off code that I could purchase more if I like it. I received some Earl Grey tea. That is a high caffeine tea, so I will drink that in the morning. And there's also a 20% off code for that. So if I like that, I can purchase it at a discount. I received some pure white tea with cranberry. Oh, that sounds so good. That is my low caffeine tea. And then finally, I received some sweet ginger peach black tea. And that is also a high caffeine tea. So let's take a look in my box and see what we have. I received 1, 2, 3, 4 of the chocolate raspberry teas, and the pure white tea. I received 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. The sweet ginger peach black tea, I received 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of those. And finally, the Earl Grey tea, I received 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So that is my box. They also included this really cute little postcard. They always include something in the box sometimes, whether it be a postcard or just an informational card on the teas. But this is a postcard that they included that I could use. So now it's time to pick a tea for me to steep. And I think I'm going to pick the sweet ginger peach black tea. It sounds so good, and the picture on the bag looks so good, I had to pick it. So let's get started. This is what the tea looks like. It looks like it is going to be fabulous with all these ingredients. Let's stick it in my cup and add some boiling water. So according to the directions, we need to leave this steep for about 5 or so minutes. So I'm going to do that right now, and I will be right back. I am always pleased with the teas that I get from this box. As I said before, I was not a tea lover, but Sips By definitely convinced me to start drinking teas. I absolutely love getting this box every month because it is specifically curated just for my tea tastes. So they have kind of a mixture of the caffeinated and decaffeinated teas that I like. Also sometimes no caffeine, and the teas are always delicious, always unique, and always from brands that are new to me. So really enjoyed this box. Want to let you know about it. I will leave a link for Sips By down in my description box. I also think I have a $5 off new subscription promo code that I will list here and also down in my description box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.